I'm in the living room. Hey guys, I'm McNeil here. Back again with Scrappy, be quiet. And you've never known it, but I have actually 2 dogs. I had 3 dogs, but apparently one died because he pretty much ran away after I went to the theme park. Anyway, you're about to see the closest dog I can get. There's Bella and Scrappy. This one's out is Scrappy because he's the biggest. Huh. I think your cat could be. I got a YouTube channel.
You got a Ninja Turtle?
I got a YouTube channel.
Oh, a YouTube channel. Okay.
Bella! Hey, Bella.
Hey, Bella.
Bella.
I forgot about Bella.
Now she excite piece.
Hey, Bella.
Don't get too excited.
Hey, Toto.
She's gonna go in your
How you been doing?
Gotcha.
You doing good?
Yep. Trying to make sure Bella calms down.
Oh.
So that way she doesn't pee everywhere.
Oh. She's one of those,
Yep.
Scrappy in the backyard.
Yep. It's about to knock on the window and go see what he's doing. Come on.
I don't see him.
He's gonna come.
Scrappy. Hello, how you doing? Oh, there he goes, right here, big head self. Sitting here at the back door. I'm talking about hey, Boo. Hey, Tutu, how you doing? Hey, Tutu. Hey, Tutu, I got you outside, you. Hey, boo. Hey, boo. See, he misses his knowledge share too, just like everybody else.
Yep. So why are you here?
Who's ready to sleep? Nope. Who's ready?
Anyways, you can get a quick shot of Bella. You already saw Scrappy. And there's the elusive, the biggest of all the dogs in the entire world, Braylon McNeil.
I'm not a dog.
You acted like one, so here you are in the video.
What's up, Bray?
Yep.
How you doing? You been being good? Tell Bella she can't have no sugar. Go! Go!
Okay. Sneak it off my way. This video wasn't taking too much space because I didn't really get one on here. I'm just gonna go check out Scrappy. Hey, you're gonna start scratching that window.